Welcome to BALAJI Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to solve the questions of the aptitude with the tricks in just few seconds. So before going to see the video, let's roll the intro. After the completion of the botany stream, our next topic is the number system. In the number system we have seen the many subtopics, and that first subtopic will be the divisibility rules. This is a concept you may get forgot, so I am boosting the concept once again before going to see the next videos. Like in that case, if the number is divisible by 4 means, like last two digits when divided with the 4 means the complete number is going to divisible by the 4. Again, if the number is divisible by 8 means the last 3 digits are going to divisible by the 8. So if the number is going to divisible by 7 means, then you need to take like this, like you need to take one digit of the right side and you need to multiply with 2, and with the multiplication of 2 you need to subtract from the left side of the numbers. You need to do the up to you get the value, like you will get the 0 or you get the multiple of the 7. If you get so, then that number is going to divisible by the 7. Again, suppose if the digits are more means, you need to take like this, you need to combo the 3 digits with other 3 digits by leaving in the middle of 3 digits. So you need to combo like this and you need to subtract with the middle 3 digits. If you do so, then you will get the one result. With that result you can again do this, then you will get the result as 0 or the multiple of the 7. Then if you so, then the number is completely divisible by the 7. So again, if the number is divisible by the 7 means, then you need to add the even digits and the odd digits. Then you will get the some result, like result of even and result of the odd, like addition of the odd or addition of the even. So you need to subtract those. If the subtraction will be the 0 or the multiple of the 11, then it is a number like the completely divisible like it is a number like it is a completely divisible by the 11. Now our next subtopic in the number system will be the divisibility and the remainder topic. In the divisibility and the remainder, suppose if you have the number like a power n and b power n, if n is a even number, then it is a completely divisible by the a plus b or a minus b. Suppose if the number is odd means, then it is only divisible by the a minus b. Suppose if you have number series like this, like a power n plus b power n plus c power n so on, then it is a number like it is a completely divisible by the a plus b plus c when n is odd. So if the power n will be odd means it is a completely divisible by the a plus b plus c. If our number is given like the number n, let it be, if number is dividing with 120 and leaving the remainder 39, suppose when it is going to divide with 12, then what is the remainder going to left? So if it is given so means you need to check whether the second number is going to completely divide this number or not. So here the 120 is completely divided with the 12 now, so will leave remainder 0. Then you can also divide with these numbers like 39 by 12, then the remainder will be the 3. So this is the remainder of the second condition when the number is divided with the 12. So this is the trick. Regarding this trick, we have seen the many number of questions, so definitely the question will be hit from this topic. So go and watch that videos. Suppose if your number like this, like 10 by 8, the remainder will be the 2. Suppose you have striking the numbers like this with the 2, like 2 5 ja and 2 4 ja, like 5 by 4, then the remainder will be the 1. So this is not a correct answer. When you striking with any number, so you again should multiply with that number at the result, like 1 into 2. So again we have the use of the negative remainders also. We have seen the questions regarding this also, like if 12 is divided with the 7, we need to take the nearest big value, like 7 to the which is like 14, the remainder will be the minus 2. Suppose again the next trick is like if 100 is divided with the 3, the remainder will be the 1. If you divide this sequence like this, like 20 into 5, then here the remainder will be for the 20 it is like 2, again for the 5 the remainder will be the 2 when divided with the 3. Again you need to multiply these remainders, like 2 into 2 4, again when you divide with the 3, like 4 by 3, the remainder will be give the same, or it is like 10 into 10, like 10 into 10 by 3, like here the remainder will be the 1, here the remainder will be the 1, like 1 by 3 the remainder will be the 1. So this is all the things we are going to work. Like p minus 1 factorial by the p gives the remainder as p minus 1 when the p is a prime number. Like the Fermat's theorem says that like a power p minus 1 by p, the remainder will be the 1 when p is a prime number, a and p are the co-primes. Like we find the answers to the questions very easily with these tricks and the formulas and with these theorems also. So don't miss out that videos, definitely the question will be hit. And from the unit digit we have seen the like if 0 1 5 6 of any width of any power, then it will be the same digit as the unit digit. The unit digit will be the same for these numbers. It will be the any of the power. If we have the numbers like 2 3 4 7 8 9, if the power is like 4n to this numbers means, then at the unit digit it follows this 6 1 pattern, like 6 1 6 1 and 6 1 for this. Again we have the like if 4 to the power, if the power is odd, then the unit digit will be the 4. If the 4 to the power, if it is even number means, it is like the unit digit will be the 6. Similarly for the 9, if it is of with power odd means, then it follows the unit digit as 9. If the power is even means, it follows the unit digit as 1. So again later we have seen the last two digits. In the last two digits, suppose if the last digit unit digit will be the 1 means, if 10th digit is of like a, and to this number if it's of with like power b means, the last two digits will be the like the ones digit, it will be the 1, and the 10th place digit it is like a cross b, like we need to multiply this a into b. So all this we have seen in the previous video. Again if it is like 2 power 10 into odd, like 2 to the power, if 10 into odd means, it follows the last two digits as 24, and if 2 power 10 into even, it is like 74. If we have unit digit as 5, and if it is follows here odd and here odd, like if the again left side of the digit will be the odd and the power will be the odd means, then it is follows the directly 75 as the last two digits. Otherwise it follows the 25, either any one of the even or both the even, it follows the two digits as 25. If 76 power n will give the last two digits as 76 only, so it follows the same number. So this is all about the last two digits. We have seen the many. Now the next topic is like number of zeros. Like to form a zero, we needed directly 0, or we needed the multiples of 5 or multiples of 2, either 5 or 2 we need. So here if any number is given, like we need to find the in a serial number like up to 100, that we need to find the number of 0 means the last number is 100. So to that last number like 100, so we need to do with the 5s, so we need to do with respect to 5 like this. Then we need to add this all the below things by leaving the above one, then the addition will give the result as that much number of zeros. So we have seen the question regarding this also, the number of zeros. So this trick will important one to solve the very large and very tough questions. So you need to remember this. Again later we have seen the divisors or the factors. Like suppose I have taken an example of 120, the factors are like we have seen the factors in that video, like the factors are 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is a prime factorization method. We have found this one, like from this one we can find the all type of things regarding the divisors or factors. Like number of all divisors will be you need to write in this manner, like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 up to the last power, and the 3 power 1 you need to write like this, like 3 power 0, 3 power 1, and 5 power 1 we need to write like this, like 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. To count or to need the number means you need to count like 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 and here 1 2. So you need to count and you need to perform the multiplication in between this, then you will get the one value that will be the number of divisors. So here it will be the number of all divisors. To need the sum means here you need to make you need to find the value and you need to sum those, and if you sum in the column wise and you need to multiply in the rows, then you will get a one value that will be the sum of. Like if you need the number of odd divisors means you need to remove the even divisors, and if you need the even divisors means you need to remove from the number of divisors minus odd divisors, or you can get the value like you by removing the 2 power 0, you will get the things like this also. So for the product we need to do like you need to take the number, you need to take the number of divisors by the 2, like to the power. For the number to the power, if you take the number of divisors by 2, you will get the product of the divisors. To find the number of prime divisors, then you need to add all these powers, then you will get the number of the prime divisors. So this is all about the tricks regarding the divisors or the factors topic. Later we have seen the fractions. In the fractions there we have seen the most important trick, like if we have the series like this, like 1 by 1 cross 2 plus 1 by 2 cross 3 plus 1 by 3 cross 4 plus 1 by 4 cross 5, so on. Suppose we have entered here only, but there will be a long series of this, there will be a long series. If we need to find the value, the last value, then we have derived the trick from this only. Like we have taken like 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 will be give this result, and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 this will be give this result, and so on. So if we cancel out like this, like minus and plus will get cancelled, minus and plus will get cancelled, and finally we are left over with this and this value, like 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5 will give the result as 4 by 5. So this is the direct trick we have derived in that video also in the detailed manner. If you miss out that video, please go and check once. Now to this series, if we need the answer quickly means the direct trick will be the so you need to check only the two conditions, like denominator difference should be in the numerator and the right side should be the left side. So this is the trick. When you saw in the question, you can apply directly this trick, like first minus the last. So when you apply this, you will get the answer quickly. So after of this, we have seen the topic arithmetic progression and geometric progression, and arithmetic and geometric mean. In the arithmetic progression is like in the between two terms the difference will be the same, and in the geometric progression in the between two terms it will be the multiple difference will be the same. So in that the sum of n arithmetic progression will be the like n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1d. Here again, if you not remember this means you can apply this formula also, like n by 2 of like first term plus last term will give the same sum of n terms, n arithmetic progressions. Or again for the geometric progressions, the sum of n geometric progressions will be the a of r power n minus 1 r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. If r is less than 1 means you need to use this trick. So here if r is equals to means you need to use this formula, like n cross a. If the number of terms is infinity means you need to use this trick, like a by 1 minus r. So again the arithmetic mean the formula is the sum of the terms by the number of terms, like number of terms means like n, like sum of terms by the n, and geometric progression will be the product of the terms power the 1 by n. N is nothing but, after this we have seen the continuous fraction, like the continuous fraction is or ladder division you can say, like 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3 is like on the division by divisions, like you can see it is like continued fraction. This is known as continued fractions. If the question is given means the trick is like you need to write the things, the last thing here like 2 by 3, and you need to write the left side of the values like 4 3 1 here. Again if any values are in the up of this value means you need to divide with this, like again you need to subtract you need to add or subtract with respect to like this, like here it will be the minus, so we need to perform the subtraction. Here it will be the plus sign, you need to perform the addition. Again here it will be the minus, you need to perform the subtraction. Like like 4 cross 3 minus 2. Again the here you will get the value, you need to write here like 3 into 10 plus like 3 will give the 33, and 1 into 33 minus 10 will give you the 23. Like you need to write these two things like 23 by 33. Again here we have 1 now, so you need to take the reciprocal of this like 33 by 22. So this is a trick we have discussed in the detailed manner in the video. Like if you need to find this variables like a, b, c, if the value is equal to, then you need to take the value to this equal one, like this is the reciprocal of this now. So if you get this value like this, means you need to take this type of division like. So this is all the trick I have explained in the previous video. Please don't miss out that video. So that video will be in the more detailed manner. You will get the things very quickly. So if any people are watching that video and seeing this video, means then you will get the quick revision on the tricks. So this is only the video on the revision of the tricks only. Again later we have seen that the HCF and LCM topic, like LCM is equals to the ratio of the two numbers into the HCF, the ratio of the numbers into the HCF, the multiplication of the numbers which is equals to the LCM into HCF. So this is the two tricks we have derived in that video. Again HCF of these fractions will nothing but the HCF of the numerators and LCM of the denominators. To find the LCM of fractions, means you need to write the LCM of the numerator and HCF of the denominator. So we have seen the many questions regarding this also. Again if we have the question like find the greatest number which when divides 38, 45, 52 leaves remainder 2, 3, 4 respectively, means here its greatest number divides this number, means when leaving this remainder, means you need to do like this, you need to write this one and you need to separate the remainders to these numbers, then you need to find the HCF of these numbers, then it will be the answer to this question. We have again later we have seen the division algorithm. In the division algorithm we have seen few questions. So this might be also, from this also the question may hit it sometimes. So the divisor into quotient plus remainder will be the dividend. Suppose if we ask like successive division, means you need to take the divisors in this column and dividend in the first like here, and here you need to write the remainders, here you need to quotient, you need to write the quotient. So this is a trick for the successive division. So this is all the video on the quick revision on the tricks. So if you learnt anything, if you really like the video, please give a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the aptitude, please share my videos. Thank you for the watching.